I wanted to show you guys what I did today. Got tired of having to take all that stuff off to fill my tank, and I got tired of almost burning myself, and I did it. So I put me a connection on there to where I can fill my tank and don't have to worry about it popping off and burning the crap out of me. And I put this back in and let it continue to fill after I put my solution in there, my rinse. So when I'm done, I just shut it off. My courtesy hose done. All I did basically was drill a smaller hole than the 45 right there on that end, and then just screwed it in there and threaded it in, and it stayed with a washer on top. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Here we go. Put a little washer on top. It's pretty daggone solid. Ain't going anywhere. And I put it over here so it'd be out of my way. What's up, James? Alright, also went and got me this toolbox here today, and it has my steam iron, my spotters, a little small water claw on the bottom, my upholstery tool in the middle section. Actually, you take this lid here and it stacks and locks. And then this stacks on top of there. Get it set in there. Sorry, moving all around. And those lock in place right there on the sides. And then this one right here is the top. I got me some spotting towels, UV light, moisture meter, moisture detector rather, gloves, miscellaneous little tools, vacuum bag down in there. And this closes, stacks on top so I can roll everything in at one time. Of course, it ain't gonna go as perfect now that I'm filming, but here you go. What's up, Chad? It's a little cheaper than some of the other ones. I think I paid like 70 or 80 bucks for all of it. Now I can just roll everything in at one time. When I'm doing furniture or need spotter or whatever, I just have it all. Have it all in at one time. Pretty daggone neat. Anyway, that courtesy hose right there did not save me any money. It's a hydraulic hose. That thing's a lot more expensive, but it'll never bust on me. Don't think. Anyways, at least they tell me it won't. Plus it has a swivel right here if I need to take it off or anything. It swivels. Got tired of having a little cut piece of crap about to get me, so anyway.